The basic marketing strategies every business must use. Module 4, Lesson 2. The point of this course is to limit your true and opportunity cost as much as possible by creating marketing that gets more of your ideal customers, namely, those profitable ones. And while you've completed an extraordinary amount of work to refine your marketing down, there are still some marketing strategies which exist that are so basic that every business out there should be using them. You really don't have to choose whether or not you should. You simply should use them in your business. Now, I'm assuming you have them as you already have a successful business, but I just want to make sure to fill in all the gaps and not miss anything here. And I think I might just have one or two little surprises for you. So here we go. The top marketing strategies, the essential marketing strategies that every business must use. And the first is your website. This is extremely obvious in today's world. You just have to have a website, right? Now, when I think about a website in marketing terms, I'm typically not thinking about that front-facing website, the one that gets usually all that organic traffic. This is the obvious one that you probably think of, and it can really be just a very simple site, just a home page, an about page, a contact page, the legals, of course, and then your blog. It doesn't really need to be more than that. What you are going to have once you begin seriously marketing is a collection of landing pages, funnels, and opt-in forms. These are the tools of your marketing website. They are the site pages which your advertising and your lead generation are all going to point to, the traffic's going to go to. And very, very rarely are you going to be running any advertising campaigns straight to your homepage or your About Us page or your pricing page or any of those other fancy pages you think you need. These are marketing pages that are separate. They're not linked from your main site. Let me give you an example. So in my supplement business, we have a website which receives well over 100,000 visitors per month, but only a very small fraction of those are to the main site pages. And in the last 12 months, we've had over 1.3 million different page views. But only 43,000 of those visitors, or about 3%, ever saw that front-facing website. The rest of all that traffic landed on custom landing pages that had that master marketing equation on it. The right message to the right person at the right time and place. Now, as a matter of fact, I don't think we've even updated the main site much since we launched the business in 2013. It just doesn't move the needle that much in terms of growth. So let me ask you this. Do you have any custom landing pages, any funnels, or are you sending all your traffic to your homepage? So here's my advice here. Do not worry about spending that $20,000, $50,000, $75,000 designing and building out that new beautiful website. I hear business owners all the time talking about spending thousands and thousands of dollars and months of resources and time working on a brand new site, when in reality, it really doesn't matter that much. And using the tools I actually provide you in the worksheet for this module, I'm going to show you, and I could build out an incredibly beautiful website in a single day for probably less than $500. Seriously. Instead, get a great looking, basic website launched, and then spend all your resources building out funnels and pages that actually result in new clients and customers. And again, in the worksheet in this module, I've listed out some of my indispensable web tools for marketing. So that is the very first essential marketing strategy that you must have. The second essential, pretty basic marketing strategy you must be using is your email list. You must absolutely curate an email list of your customers and prospects. See, your email list is your single line of direct communication with your customers. It's absolutely critical to your marketing success. Think about it. Even though every year we hear about these new social networks that are blowing up, they have millions and billions and zillions of users, how email is dead and blah, 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 blah. I'll bet dollars to donuts that the very first app you fired up this morning and the one you check constantly throughout the day is your email. It's the most intimate and direct line of communication that you have. It also commands your attention. Now, for good or bad, your inbox is direct access to your attention. And this is true for your customers and prospects. So you really have to treat your customer's email address with the ultimate of respect, almost like you're emailing a friend. But you must have an email list which you curate. See, for every piece of marketing material that you create, you're going to utilize that email list to promote or distribute that message. You're going to use your email list to enhance your subscribers' relationship with you, but you're not going to send them spam. You're not going to waste their time. You're going to do everything you can to help improve their lives. And as a result, your business will grow beyond your dreams. And in the bonus lesson below, I'm going to show you how to turn that email list into a revenue stream that's going to blow your mind. So again, in my supplement business, we make almost $1 million per year just on our email list. And this is nearly 100% profit. There's almost no cost to this cash flow. So if you don't have one, you'll need to get an ESP. This is short for email service provider. It's the service which will capture and manage all of your email subscribers. Now, again, there's many different ESPs with different levels of service and benefits to them. And I will suggest that you will get what you pay for. The free services, well, there's a reason why they're free. So keep this in mind. It is an essential marketing strategy. When selecting an ESP, here are the 3 main features that I look for. The first is tagging. Tags replace the need to manage different lists. You have the ability to tag people as they come on the list as either customers, prospects, leads, really anything you can imagine. You can create custom tags, which could identify, the lifetime value of that customer and constantly be updated, whatever you want. The ability to tag your customers is a must. The second is a vast API. See, an open API with your ESP, ABC, CDF, DEG. Anyway, API is basically an open backend that allows you to connect different tools to your ESP. But it allows your website development tools to connect easily to your list. And that way you don't have to fiddle with any funky forms and contact pages or any of that nonsense. And with most modern tools, you simply, push a few buttons and connect your site to the ESP, and all of a sudden you're collecting leads and customers. So the third feature that I always look for are robust automations. These are basically like autoresponder sequences. These are emails that are automatically sent out to people in a specific order after a certain behavior. It's email that's sent to your prospects and customers that further enhances their relationship. Again, in my supplement business, every time we produce a piece of content that would be of value to our subscribers, we actually take and add that to an autoresponder which delivers that content without us having to do anything. It's really like a full-time employee reusing all our best efforts. And in the next and final essential marketing strategy, it is your customer service. Yep, your customer service. You see a theme here? What I'm really focusing on is anything that connects and further enhances your relationship with your prospects and customers is a key marketing tool that you have to invest in and manage. Don't let your customer service be an afterthought. First, help your customers help themselves. Build out a robust knowledge base or self-help section on your website. Self-help videos, content, anything that you can do to make the customer experience one of a kind. Since that's what we're doing with your marketing, right? So support that messaging with customer support that is world-class, like one of a kind. Treat your customer service like marketing strategy. Plan it, measure it, do whatever you can to give your customers and prospects the best experience you can. Because the final and most important basic marketing strategy you must have is customer testimonials, reviews, and stories. You've done everything you can to create and enhance the value between you and your customers. Your marketing reflects this. Your customer support reflects this. You've created raving fans. But are you capturing that love? Are you bottling it up? Are you putting all the good that you are doing for the world out on display? Are you sharing the stories of your customer wins with everyone? Customer testimonials are crucial to your marketing. Again, you should treat your customer testimonials as a marketing strategy. They are the stories which sell. See, Throughout history, our knowledge as human beings has been passed from generation to generation by stories. Stories are the most powerful form of marketing. So let me ask you, are you capturing your customer stories? How are you getting them? How many are you getting? Do you have metrics around getting them? The ultimate example of customer stories is Sam Ovens with Consulting.com. He has over 3,749 video customer testimonials and stories. And get this, you can sort them by industry, rating, size of company, category, even location. I can guarantee you that this does not happen by accident. And really, is there anything you can say in your marketing that speaks louder than 3,749 video testimonials? It's one of the most powerful tools you have in your marketing. At this point, you already have them, right? You do 7 figures a year, at least in sales, right? Even if that is with just a few clients, you have success with them. If you're not doing so already, you have to go and begin immediately. Start collecting your customer success stories. And that includes actually the hard cases as well, those lost customers. Get some of those too. Make it a function of your business to gather these customer testimonials. This is the key strategy. Using the bonus material in this module, I'm going to show you how to capture these testimonials and start using them as the powerful tool that they are. So let me ask you this. Are you using these essential and basic marketing strategies in your business currently? If not, what do you need to start tomorrow? Please take a second and comment in the forum below with your thoughts, what you're doing, and what you need to be doing. Sure appreciate it, and I'm going to see you in the next lesson.